Okay, guys, example number 4. It says find the unknown quantity for an account that earns simple annual interest. What formula should I use? Raise your hand. What formula should I use? Ross. The first one, which is? I equals PRT. Beautiful. Okay? That's fantastic. Now, they want to know what A is. What does A stand for, guys? It's not in this formula. A is not in this formula, but we know what it stands for. What does A stand for, Spencer? It stands for amount, which is the same thing as the balance, but what is that? What does that mean? What is it? What makes up that amount? Ross? Well, what you started out with, which is the principal, but that's not what A equals. What does A equal, Leo? Not annual interest. Your balance is what you started with plus your interest. It's that amount together. It's the amount you started with plus the money you made. Well, we're going to use this formula to find out how much money we made, and then we're going to add it to the amount we started with, and that'll tell us how much money we have. A means how much money do we have, not how much money did we earn. Okay, so let's look at this. Interest is equal to principal, which in this case is $1,000, times the rate, which is 0.025 when I change it to a decimal, times the time, which is 2 years. Okay, so you guys help me out. You've got the calculator in front of you. That's going to be 0.5, and then moving that to, is it $50? When you multiply those three things, Taggart?
Yes.
It's 50? Okay, so the interest is 50. Now, is that the amount? Is that the amount? Because remember, amount is how much money I have. Well, how much money did I start with, Kentaro? 1,000. But I made how much money, Willar? $50. So how much money do I have, Dane? I have $1,050 because I made $50 on interest during that time. So yeah, I had $1,000. But I wasn't using it, so I put it in the bank and it made $50 for me. Why not? It's better than having 1,000, right? Okay. Does everybody understand what this number is? Does everyone understand what A is? It's how much money you have. It's what you started with plus your interest. Okay? Will R. Okay. In this case, it said simple annual interest. Right? So which formula am I going to use? What is the formula for the first one, which is I equals PRT? But that just tells me how much interest I have. But they wanted to know the amount, which is the amount I started with plus my interest. So I had to add those two. Okay? All right. Good job, guys. You ready for your homework?